Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you on how to create Roblox games on mobile. 2022, in easy way, so make sure to watch this video until the very end so we can't miss any steps on this process. Now let's jump into the video. The first thing we need to do is open your mobile browser. The reason we will log in into the browser because we cannot create Roblox games in the actual app. Then search for roblox.com. And after that, log into your account and it will ask you if you want to continue on the app, but you want to continue on the browser. Now, once you log into your account, you went to click on Create As. You can see here right now, it will tell you to download Roblox Studio on your Windows or Mac device, so that be your PC. But we can process it in your mobile browser. We can switch to desktop website version on your phone. Now to do that, we need to click on three dots over here and click on Request to Desktop Website. And then tap on Manage My Games. You will end up here and now you can click on Create New Game. And you can choose whatever you want. Let's say I would choose the village, right? I just want to click on that. And then click on Create Game right there, and we have now created that game. We can click on it and we can also put a name, change the privacy settings, and then tap on Save and click on that game. Save in your Roblox dashboard. And that's it. So before we end this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe if you are new here.